Ginger at ngayon naglalaro na naman tayo ng panibagong horror video na pinangalanan na Bad Parenting. At tara, mag-umpisa na tayo. Let's play. Ang lakas. Uy, yung tulog na yan! Wow, 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 wow. Story 1. Wow, wow, wow. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Mr. Red Face.
Come back to old Yazoo.
Natatakot na ako. Wala pa man. Oh, my mother. Mom, you're home late again. Come on, I was busy with work. Ang pahit naman ng mama natin ah. Can you have some sympathy for me? But today is my birthday. Oh, of course. I know that. Nakalimutan niyo, boy. Then, where's my gift? Have you ever heard of Mr. Redface? On the birthday of good children, Mr. Redface secretly leaves gifts while they are asleep. Really? Of course! If you want to get your gift, you have to go to bed right away. I'm going to bed right now. Hindi ko alam kung naririnig ako, masyado ata malakas. Uy! What the fuck? You're fooling the kid again. How many times ang ingay? Hindi ko alam kung ako lang yun o yung ano talaga. Ay, bawal ihina. We? Okay. Interact here. How many times have you come home this late? Whoa! Ma, magtira ka naman ng hangin. I was working and my shift ended late. Bullshit! Whoa, Dad, chill. Tingnan mo yung mata mo. You still think I'm an idiot? Don't you? Whoa. What the fuck, bro? Hey, little shit. Get back to your room. Hey! Wag mo akong tatawagin na ganyan, masasapak kita. Tingnan mo. Don't stand here. Ano yan? Eavesdropping on grown-up conversation. Wow. Okay. You son of a bitch. Tingnan nga natin tatay natin. Mami, bye-bye. Nakatakot naman itong bahay natin. Bye-bye, ma. Ito ba yung room? Okay. Ay, hindi. Dalawang bedroom. So, dito sa atin. Dilim naman. Wala bang ilaw? Ay, matutulog na tayo. Nantok na tayo. Okay. Matalula ba isa? Ayaw nga pala, bata pa lang tayo. No? Good night, everyone. Whoa. Naulan, boy. Someone's coming. May papunta dito. Sino yan? Subukan mo pumasok. May dala akong barel. Yung kamay ko. Oh, shit. Tatay, is that you? Oh. Ay, hindi. Siya si Mr. Redface. Nakakatakot naman. Pumasok siya sa closet natin, guys. Sa cabinet ba yan? Ay, hindi. Closet nga. Boy, nakakatakot yun ah. Okay. Meron tayo na. Is that the gift? Is that the gift from Mr. Redface? No way! Oh shit, nakakatakot naman tong doll na to. Hi, I'm Ron. What the fuck? Ba't nagsasalita to? What? You can talk? Of course, because I was created by magic. You even have the same name and appearance as me. Oh, so tayo to. Okay. That's right, my master made me just for you. But your neck seems a bit loose. It's okay. Sometimes my master makes mistakes. This is just small flaw compared to the other dolls. What's important is that from now on, I'll be your best friend. Yun, may kalaro na tayo. That sounds wonderful. Do you want to play something with me? The master stored my toys in the closet. Can you get them for me? Okay. The closet is still stuck. Can you try that again? I've tried my best. I can't open it. Do you want me to do something else? I'm hungry. You're down. Can you even eat? No. You'll be the one eating, but I'll be able to feel everything you eat. My master linked all your senses and emotions to me so I can easily understand you. Wow, that sounds amazing. Hindi yun amazing. That's kinda creepy eh. Medyo nakakatakot yun ah. Ooh. Kung saan namamatay yung ano. Anong gusto mo kainin? Ay, sarap. Hindi na. Ito. You're reading this letter at 1 p.m. Aren't you, sleephead? I've prepared your favorite dish in the fridge, so remember to heat it up before eating. Lately, I've noticed you've been getting lazy about eating. You know, I don't have much time at home, so please learn to take care of yourself and stop making me worry. One more thing, don't forget to take your medicine after eating. Medicine? May sakit ba tayo? Something? Ay, hindi. Ito nga. Ay, hindi. Nabawal yun. Nasaan yung food? Ito ba yun? Oy, asan yung food? Asan yung food? Ay, ito pala. Yan, di kasi nag-iintindi ng binabasa. Ano pare? Wow, napunta bigla sa kamay ko. Paano mo kakainin yan? How? Is that your favorite dish? Do you want to see me perform some magic? Yes, please. Alright, I'll make this plate of food never run out. Every time you finish eating, the dish will be restored to its original state. Wow. So crunchy. Woo, ang galing. Wow, that's amazing. What else can you do? What the fuck? Nakakatakot yung par. Si May. Mabasag ah. Ha? Ha? Tangina mo. The fuck? What just happened? I don't know. You guess. No, my dad's gonna whip my ass. I hope he's still asleep. Your dad? Don't worry, my master has taken your dad away. What did you say? Par, kinuha yung tatay ko. What the shame, ay? Ay, saan ba yung room nila? Ito pala. Boy, ba't ka nandito? Walang niya ka. Where's my dad? As I said, my master has taken your dad away. Why? Because your dad's a bad person. He often hits and yells at you. Parents like that are taken away by master to protect children like you. But this is too much. My dad doesn't deserve that. Aww, supported pala ako eh. Bait-bait naman. Sorry kung magalaw ako ha. Di ko alam bakit. I just like the place, I think. He's a bad person. No, he's not. Please, let my dad go. I'm begging you. Alright. But my master won't like this. It's quite a long way to where your dad's being held. You'll have to use a shortcut if you want to get there in time to save him. Show me the way. The shortcut is through your closet. To my closet. Dito ko na naman. What the hell? Di ba nga nakalock? You still can't open it? That's disappointing. I guess we have to use your parents' closet then. Ay, walang nga pinabalik. Ano to? Ay. Baka may manggugulat dito ah. Ay, wala. Oh, ako'y nagulat sa'yo. You should know that this closet can function as portals. They can take you anywhere you want, including where your dad is being held. Give it a try. There's nothing in here. Oh right, I forgot. There are a few steps you need to take to activate this shortcut. Bring your dad's radio and place it in front of the closet. Radio? The radio will work like an elevator button. You need to select a frequency. Okay. If you choose the right frequency, the door will open to the place you need to go. Ito ba yun? Seems like that's not it. Let's try again. Mamaya, may gulat ah. What the fuck was that? Okay mga ka-ginger, be ready bro. Ito na tayo na. I think this is the one. Go ahead, step. I'll stay here and watch the house. Okay, bye-bye. Whoa. The hell? Uy, sino ka? Walang yan, may ano dito. Ano to? Dagis ba to? What's up? I'm Decca. I'm looking for my dad. Describe. My dad's name is Bruce. Wait a moment. There are many Bruces here. Any more details? Is this Bruce a good Bruce or bad Bruce? Well, my dad's kind of person who gets a bit angry, so he's a bad Bruce. Let me see. There are still many bad Bruces. More specific, please. What else does he have? He often yells, so not enough information. Sometimes he hits me and slaps too. And that's all. The door is behind you. Wow! Ah! Tangina mo! Gago tong mga to ah! Mga walang niya kayo ah! Boo! He just got started. Started? Hindi ko alam. Where are you guys? I'm just like you. We're kids on our way to find our friends. We're staying here for a bit. Do you want to join us? I'm sorry, I'm in a hurry. Okay, see you later. Ba't ikaw nandito ka sa likod ng trunk sa kotse? Sa harap ng boy. Wait. Shit. This kinda emotional. So itong batang to, namatay siya sa trunk. Tapos ito naman, sinunog sa isang vampire, I guess. Ito naman, nilibig ng boy. I'm really sorry, guys. I'm fucking sorry. Okay, where's my dad? Whoa! What the fuck, bro? Where the hell am I? Dad? Please stop punishing me. It's me, Dad. Please stop punishing me. Boy, pinapunish siguro siya. Baka pinubugbog siya ni Mr. Redface. Kaya na siya nagka-trauma na siya. Nasira na yung utak niya. Sa mental hospital siguro to. Please stop punishing me. What has he done to you? Come on, let's go home or Mr. Redfish will take both of us. Please stop punishing me. Bahala ka dyan, tay. Ano kailangan kong gawin? Ito. Spell. The fuck? Okay, I'm back. Ay, mama. What the fuck, bro? Wait lang. Yung pan ko nalanggal. Let's start rolling, bro. Wow, ma. Yung ulo ma. Ma, chill, ma. Hey, what's wrong with you? Why are you hiding in the closet? Mr. Redface taken Dad. Oh, fine, bro, ma. Well, that's a good thing then. I'm not joking. It's a long long story. Let me explain. How's your doll run doing today? Is he alright? The doll? Mom, how do you know about it? Of course I know, since you haven't taken your medicine today. This is the first time you have such a Basta? Ha? Ay, hindi ko tuloy nabasa. Don't you remember previous and love? I don't blah blah blah. Okay, bye-bye ma. Oh, tangina mo. Kaka. Shit, bro. Think we died, bro. Are you alright? What just happened, son? Are you alright? No, mom. Can you see? Nakigana ako, pinatay ako ni Red. Holy shit, ma. Ganyan ka makatingin. Do you feel better now? Yeah, mom. It's Mr. Red Pit. It's alright. Tomorrow, I'll take a day off to stay home and take care of you. Really? Promise me, mom. I promise. Now go back to sleep. Yes, mom. Yes, kasama natin mama ko. Nasaan na siya? Baka nakalimutan niya, par. Mom? You've broken the promise again. Again? So, nakailang beses na siya? Okay, sa room na tayo. Lang, guys. Okay, let's go! Run! Bakit? Oh, shit! Pag sarado si Ron. Nakalukan tayo. What's happened to you? My master beat the shit out of me. He wasn't happy about what happened yesterday. I'm sorry, this is my fault. By the way, have you seen my mom anywhere? My master has taken her away. What? It just happened. I'm sorry, I can't stop him. He should run away. You should run away because he'll come back soon to take you too. No, I have to save my mom and my dad too. How? Don't you see what he did to me? Ano, pagsarado ka na, par. Uy, yung nga pala yung spell. I found this at my dad's freezer. I think it might help us defeat him. That's the spell to defeat Mr. Red Face. Come on, quickly! Go into the closet to find where your mom is being held. Ay, dito ba? Hindi, doon pa rin talaga. Ang lag! Si Mai! Okay. Nandito na ba tayo? Ba't ang dilim? The hell, bro? Kaya nagtatago. Should we wait? Maghintay din pa tayo dito? Nagtatago sila. Okay, tago din tayo. Sama tayo sa kanila. Bahala kayo dyan, pupunta ako na yun. Di ba kayo sasabay sa akin? Bahala kayo dyan. Quickly, throw the spell in here and take cover. Ayun pala. Papasok na siya dyan. Okay, okay. Mom, be careful! Ayun siya, parang pangit niya. Mga siyang puwet. Boom. Ooh, pare. I think we did it, bro. Okay, let's sleep na. Takbo, takbo. Baka buhay pa siya. Is it over na? Run! What's happening to you? My master has been defeated. The magic he cast on me is also fading. Are you disappearing? Don't worry, this is what I wanted. You should go outside and see your parents. Okay, bye-bye, Ron. Yun. Mother, father! Hello? Dad, Mom! You are free now. What the fuck? You've been waiting an affair, haven't you? Having an affair. I told you. I was busy with work. Liar! You neglect this family for another man, aren't you? Aren't you ashamed to lie to your son? And what about you? Do you think you're better than me? You're just at home leeching off me all year around. What kind of father are you? No matter what I do, it's my business. I still bring money home to support my child. And if you still think I'm a whore, you're lowering yourself even below that. Whoa. Nagigigil na ako dito ah. One more word. Fine. You and I will get a divorce. One of us will have to move out of this. You're still here tomorrow. I'll take my son and leave. You stay right there. Oh shit. Uy, nawala si father. Huh? Wait lang. Parang ito yung ano ah. Yung pinakita sa atin ni Ron. Yung magic niya. Oh! Red face. Ah! So siya yun. Siya pa rin umiinom. Red face. I won't let this happen. Nagigit siya par. Whoa. Where are you, father? So ito yung nakita natin kanina. The fuck, bro? The fuck? I can't move! Nilagay niya tayo sa closet! No! This cannot be true! I'm very sorry, Ron. Your closet. I think you'll be able to open it now. Oh shit, bro! This is me? Why don't I know anything about this? You've always known. Huh? Because I am the knowing part of you. You've tried to deny and reject these things and made up stories to make yourself feel better about you and your dad. And me, I have to find a way to lead you back to the reality. I've tried many times, many ways to help you accept this truth as easily as possible. And every time I fail, guess what happens? Tick tock, boom! All the memories disappear. You once again wake up at the starting point, which is the night your dad murdered you. How long have I been dead? 14 days? It can't be that long. What really happens to my parents? As for your dad, residing in a cheap motel room. Ah! Go home with me, Dad. Oh. Shit, okay. What about my mom? She still sees me, doesn't she? That's right, because she's only home late at night. But if it's daytime, ano mangyari? Son? Oh shit, bro. Oh no. Oh no, bro. This thing's so sad. Di naman ata to horror game eh. I think this is sad game, bro. Oh. Ah, ito yung ano, yung umiiyak siya, sinagisata natin yung spell. I think, di ko alam. Do you have any clues about your husband's hiding place? No. You just dropped something, ma'am. Ayan, yung binato ko na. What's that? It's a motel card, but I'm not sure it's mine. Okay. GG, bro. Okay, naintindihan ko na lang. Ah, bro. Killer father arrested. Doon siya natalo. Oh no, that's me, bro. Shit, man. Oh, bro. This thing is so sad, man. Naiiyak na ako. Shit. But real man never cries. Uy, mga bata. Oo nga, tama nga. Nilibing ng buhay. Sinunog. Nilagay sa trunk. Sako. Nasa cabinet. Wow. Shit. That's sad, bro. Alright, guys. If you enjoy watching, please leave a like and subscribe. Bye, guys. Bye-bye.